It's that time of the year again when the sky is dirty grey, the visibility is extremely poor, when taking a breath feels like a chore and our eyes and throats are burning. While there was supposed to be a firecracker ban in place, it did not seem like there was a ban at all. At 8 a.m. this morning, the PM 2.5 level in the capital was over 900, making the already toxic air much worse. And this was similar to the scenes that were seen in several cities of North India.
Delhi gasping for its breath, almost unrecognizable in just 24 hours. The shocking before and after images of the national capital. A thick blanket of smog choking Delhi. If the air quality was severe just last night, people in Delhi woke up to hazardous air quality levels this morning.
A look at the AQI data shows that after 6 p.m. on Diwali night, as people began bursting crackers, the PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels have shot up across the national capital region. Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Greater Noida, Gurgaon, Faridabad all have seen the dipping air quality.
To give you the ghastly numbers, the AQI in Delhi at one point was 999. This is almost 40 times the prescribed safe air limit of 25 by the World Health Organization.
This is because there was a complete violation of the norms and rules laid down by the honorable courts and even by both the government, central and state, as people came out in huge numbers violating the cracker ban in Delhi and NCR. And now they can see the ill effects.
Basic advice to all people would be avoid all kind of morning walks. Nobody should go for a morning walk in this level of pollution. Also, any person who is smoking should avoid smoking at least in these times.
New Delhi has the worst air quality of all world capitals as people paid the price thanks to the use of fireworks, completely disregarding the government's ban on them.
Crackers, crop burning and cold temperatures, the trifecta of Delhi's air pollution woes is back as citizens ignored government mandates and burst crackers on Diwali and continue to burn crop residue in NCR states. Across the NCR region, air quality has dropped to hazardous levels, and Safar says that this is likely to continue till at least Saturday evening when a fair wind could blow it away. However, at the moment, across NCR, AQI levels are at severe or hazardous levels, and the skies, even at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, continue to be grey. In New Delhi, with cameraman Satya, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
So what is it that's responsible for turning the capital into a gas chamber? A dirty political firefight erupted over clean air, with the Aam Aadmi Party government saying that it's the BJP that is responsible for provoking people to burst crackers. The BJP in turn says the air quality in the capital was bad even before crackers were being burst.
It's that time of the year when the festive sparks fly freely. But this time, crackers have lit a bigger fire than ever before, and squarely in India's political minefield. As the air quality worsened the day after Diwali, the Aam Aadmi Party blames the surge in stubble burning and people purposely bursting crackers despite the ban in the capital. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party claims that it was the BJP that made Delhiites burst crackers.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जानबूझ करके पटाखे कल जलवाए, उसके लिए उन्होंने कैंपेन किया, बार-बार चुनौती दी कि हम पटाखे जलाएंगे, आप रोक के दिखाइए। लोगों को उससे धर्म से जोड़ करके लोगों को उकसाया गया। मुझे लगता है कि मेरा निवेदन है भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कि अपनी सोच को बदलिए।
The BJP hit back, accusing the Arvind Kejriwal government of unleashing a diabolical campaign to dissuade Delhiites from bursting crackers, and that Delhi's air quality index was hazardous even before the crackers came out.
मंत्री गोपाल राय लगातार हम हिंदुओं को ये कहकर चिढ़ाते रहे कि आतिशबाजी का, पटाखों का तो दिवाली से कोई रिश्ता ही नहीं है। कहीं ना कहीं ये उनकी औरंगजेबी सोच का प्रमाण है। औरंगजेब ने भी अपने काल में आतिशबाजी पर रोक लगाई थी।
So is it just crackers that made capital's air poisonous? According to the government air quality forecast agency SAFAR, stubble burning accounted for 36% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution on Friday, the highest this season so far. On Thursday, farm fires accounted for 25% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution. The concentration of stubble burning in Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution was 32% on Diwali last year as compared to 19% in 2019. As furious war over crackers and pollution continues, the question most Indians will be asking tonight is, whether political or actual, is there an end to the haze in sight? Bureau Report, India Today.